This is my new car. This is my new car. I have a red cap. I have a red cap. I have a pencil. I have a pencil. This is an eraser. This is an eraser. I have a pen. I have a pen. This is my notebook. This is my notebook. This is my bag. This is my bag. Is this your car? Is this your car? This is an airplane. This is an airplane. This is our school. This is our school. This is a house. This is a house. These are shoes. These are shoes. He is a smart kid. He is a smart kid. My shoe is red. My shoe is red. My shoelaces is blue. My shoelaces is blue. This is a wallet. This is a wallet. This is a banana. This is a banana. This is an apple. This is an apple. This is a basket. This is a basket. I bought 2 loaves. I bought 2 loaves. I love coconut. I love coconut. I ate fresh corn. I ate fresh corn. Here is a lion. Here is a lion. This is a cat. This is a cat. Dog is my favorite pet. Dog is my favorite pet. This is a turtle. This is a turtle. This is an ant. This is an ant. This is a bee. This is a bee. I drink water. I drink water. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I swim. I swim. I sleep. I sleep. This is a pig. This is a pig. I saw a parrot. I saw a parrot. There's plenty bats here. There's plenty bats here. This is a cow. This is a cow. Here is my slippers. Here is my slippers. I have earmuffs. I have earmuffs.